The image trace function allows you to load in a floor plan image so you can quickly reproduce it in Scribe. This can be useful if the image you have has a mistake, is of poor quality, you want to produce a 3D model, or you want to trace from a photo. The first thing you need to do is tap the import photo icon found in the bottom right corner of Scribe. You'll then see the image menu appear. Just tap add photo and select the plan you want to copy from. This will add the image to your plan. If you have multiple images you want to add, just tap add photo again and add another photo in the same way. By default, Scribe does not know the scale of the images you've added, so when drawing a wall, you may find the measurements don't match. In this example, we can see that the imported wall length is 7.9 meters, which does not match the Scribe measurement. You'll also notice that one image is slightly rotated, which will make it harder to trace over. Luckily, both these issues can be rectified by using the set scale function. To use this, select the image you want to adjust, tap set scale, move the scale line to a wall where the length is known, and then enter the correct measurement. We also want to correct the rotation, so we're going to tick the relevant rotation box and the direction of rotation, in this case horizontal and counterclockwise. Tap apply and you'll see the plan rotate as directed. You can also see that now, when adding a wall, the measurement matches the image. The other image we added is already straight, but we'll just set the scale as we did for the first image. Finally, we may want to change the position of the imported images, and there are two ways to do this. First, tap Move Photo, select the photo you want to move, and you can then use the directional arrows and set the increment that the arrows move in to move the image around. Alternatively, you can use the Point Move function to move an image by selecting a point and choosing where to move it to. Once this is done, you're now ready to start sketching. You may just want to adjust the transparency of the image so you can see both the image and the sketch clearly. Simply trace over each wall one by one until the plan has been fully completed. If you find that certain walls are slightly out of place, you can tap the wall and drag it into the correct position. If there are walls that are slightly angled, you can use the blue dots on the corner to move each end into the correct place. Once completed, you can again use the Move function to show your sketch and the image side by side to ensure that you're happy with it. And that's it. You've recreated the imported image and can now correct any mistakes, add any additional features, re-export the plan, or view and share the 3D model.